Hey, metalworking aficionados! Today, we're pitting two giants against each other, the NC Press Brake and the CNC Press Brake. It's a clash of titans, and we're here to dissect their strengths and weaknesses. Let's get started. First up, the NC Press Brake. This bad boy uses an NC system to control the bending process. It's a step up from manual press brakes, offering improved consistency in bending speed and accuracy. The operator's role? Mostly loading and unloading sheet metal, thanks to the automation capabilities of the NC system. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the NC Press Brake is a powerhouse, it's not as adept at handling emergencies or complex bending as a skilled operator. It's a mix of automation and manual intervention, a middle ground for those venturing into automated metal bending. Now let's turn our attention to the CNC Press Brake. This machine is a marvel of modern engineering, boasting a more advanced CNC system that elevates bending speed, precision, and automation to new heights. With the ability to program complex workpieces and achieve precise bending angles, the CNC Press Brake is a favorite for mass production and intricate metal bending tasks. It's like having a metal bending wizard at your fingertips. So, NC or CNC? The NC is your go-to for affordability and functionality, a reliable companion for a variety of metal bending tasks. The CNC, though pricier, is a titan of precision and automation, ideal for complex and high-volume projects. There you have it, folks, the NC and CNC Press Brake, each with its unique strengths and offerings. Got questions or want to share your experience with these machines? Drop a comment below. If this showdown enlightened you, hit that like button and subscribe for more metalworking insights.